Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology news is high precision soldering made easy. Indium Corporation launches new solder paste for high print consistency and easy cleanability. An ultra-fine solder paste boosts print consistency, cuts cleaning time, and delivers reliable reflow performance for next-gen semiconductor packaging. As the electronic assemblies are shrinking, the architectures grow more complex, and the manufacturers face increasing pressure to achieve uniform, repeatable, and fine-feature printing. Traditional solder pastes often struggle with aperture sizes below 80 micrometer, leading to inconsistent deposits, voiding, slumping, and frequent stencil cleaning. These issues reduce the overall yield and slow down production. Indium Corporation introduces Si silicon paste C312HF, a cleanable halogen-free solder paste formulated with Type 7 powder. It is specifically formulated for printing apertures as small as 60 micrometer. By optimizing both powder morphology and flux chemistry, the paste enables stable transfer efficiency, long stencil life, and reliable reflow behavior for next-generation semiconductor packaging lines. The paste offers a range of characteristics which includes consistent with low standard deviation deposit volumes, excellent slump resistance preventing bridging and defects, low voiding across component types, optimized powder and flux formulation for fine feature control, minimal stencil cleaning requirements, wide reflow profile window compatible with varied processes, increased wetting capability across multiple metallizations, cleanable post-reflow residue. By delivering reliable fine-feature printing and reducing process interruptions, the paste helps boost yields, minimize rework, and maintain tighter quality control. Its dual cleanability or no-clean flexibility supports diverse production environments, while its performance aligns with industry goals and supports consistent printing performance across advanced packages. As feature sizes continue to shrink and packaging demands rise, the solder paste enables efficient system and package designs and supports next-generation electronics manufacturing roadmaps. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.